Ford Explorer. The issue is there's water going inside the car. So what we have to do is to remove this cowl grill so that we can see inside where the water is coming from. First thing we have to do is to put a paper or tape or anything that you can put a mark right on the center of the wiper blade, and then we will tape it so that it will not move. Paper is in place or tape or whatever, we will mark the position of the blade with a marker. The purpose of this is that so that when we put it back, you're absolutely sure that you will put it in the right position, in the original position as you take out. Because without this paper, when you put it back, you will keep guessing now where you're gonna put on the right position. With this mark in place, you're absolutely sure you'll put it back on the right position. The same on the other side. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, paper in the center of the blade. Put the tape. Put it in place. And put the mark. We will remove the wiper blades. You pull this up, and then you push this tab here, this tab, push outwards, and then wiggle back and forth, and then pulling it up. While wiggling back and forth, you pull it up. Lift this up and push this tab here, and then wiggle, and then while wiggling, pulling this up. Remove these two bolts here. Same on the other side. And then just slowly pry it out, and it come out, and go to the next push pin. This is the push pins right here, and the other one over there. And this side here. Here you go. The same as the passenger side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 push pins. We will pour water where the rainwater goes so that we can see if there is water that will go inside the car. See, the water drains where it's supposed to be, and on the other side, right there, the water drain where it's supposed to be on both sides of the car. We will look inside. This is the driver's side. We'll look. I'm looking if there's any drip of water here. No water. This is the passenger side. Looking for water if there's any drip. No drip. I turn on the car and turn on the AC. Car is running. AC is on. And we will run it for a while to see if the water is coming from the AC. Running for a while the AC is on, and I will take a look. And where's the evaporator is. And there we go, right here. The AC condensation from the evaporator is leaking, going inside the car. the cowl grill. Put a dab of silicone grease on its hose pins for easy installation. Wiper. We gotta push this tab again, it out, align it, there you go, let it go inside, and then no, it's not on the line of the mark, so we gotta remove it and put it on the mark. Now it's going and it's exactly on the mark where we make before we take it out. On the driver's side, push the tab, make it all the way in. All the way in, and then put the blade. No, it's not aligned, so we gotta take it out again until this blade here, the wiper blade, will align on the mark. Head you in, put it down, and exactly the blade is on the line that we put before we take it out, right in there, right on the mark there. And so we will take out the paper. There you go.